So, I just shot that green jug with a wax slug, Tickle Me Pink, um, over there, just randomly shooting, and it made a single hole. Now this is an open cylinder, I believe. We're not sure. It's got a choke tube available, so we're gonna shoot it down near the bottom, see how it goes. Let's take a look. Yeah, 2 solid holes. Top one is the first shot that I made. So yeah, 20 gauge wax slugs will work. Just make sure you don't have a choke. My dad's other 20 gauge has a choke, and it does not. We'll give it a shot if we have another wax slug. Here. Give me camera in again.
Modified choke.
I'll shoot the bottom right part of it. Yeah.
Here, you want to take that with you?
Trade ya. Oh. So. Yeah, it just broke up again. Just knocked it aside. So, yep. Definitely. Gotta have no choke whatsoever on your shotgun if you're going to be shooting wax slugs. You can, however, shoot cut shells just fine. Don't try to force together any kind of fragile thing to keep your shells together, like tape or anything. And yeah, so if you cut the shell down far enough, close enough to the brass end, it should all stay together. If you cut it up a little too close to the shell, it's all just going to dump out all over the place. So don't try this at home, but if you do, stay safe and have fun.